We saw the need for service dogs for veterans suffering with PTSD and traumatic brain injuries. So we started BattleBuddies just specifically for veterans who've suffered after 9/11. My husband's a Marine veteran, my oldest son is a veteran, and we wanted to do something just to help veterans. It probably takes about $3,000 per puppy from start to finish to train them.
Miss Joanne and them don't take a salary in it. They do it out of kindness of their heart. They're not about the money. I would never commit suicide, but just like every veteran, I thought about it in the past, and I think these dogs keep veterans from doing that.
It's the most rewarding experience when you see a veteran go, I get back out in life, I'm out with my family, I can go back to work now.